All right. This is Avi Harkishan from AH Charts. Let's look at QQQ. So here's QQQ again. Before I begin talking about the chart, let's look at the Discord, what we posted the day before. I like to look at this. So I put out the bullish expectation a little bit, but with expecting further downside as long as QQ does not drop below the recent low. But if it does, you're going to see a bearish scenario playing out. This is what I had going into the day for QQQ. I said expect a little bit upside and rejection at least within this area right here. We're going to reject this area and we're going to come back down at least to that 503. Now, if we are to begin losing this area and we come back down to that 496, we're going to keep dipping further. That's what I pretty much had. So at least I had this part play out, even if you didn't catch the entire move. You caught part of it. I don't know what I'm saying, but you caught part of it. So let's look at the chart. Which one is it? There it is. So here's QQQ on the daily. It's in an uptrend, and every time it hits the bottom, it tends to move up. And it's pretty oversold at the moment. Now, let's get rid of the fibs. Pretty crazy day. Pretty decent selling volume going on here. Same thing with SPY. So the volume is confirming the move to the downside. It's confirming it's still pretty high. It's not decreasing. I wanted to see decreasing volume, but it's not decreasing, which is pretty bearish. So yeah. So where are we going next? Here's where we're going next. This is what I think. So you had that resistance level up here. That was your double top. And you start coming back down. I'm gonna put the 200 EMA up. Let's put this up right here. So you have that 200 EMA right down here. Let's look at the 1 hour for a moment. This is what I had going into the day for QQQ. I was expecting this move to happen, and it sort of did. Not exactly the way I thought it would, but we got rejected off the same area. So the level was what's important. So we got rejected off this area, and we just sold off. Forget the timing, how much I got this spread out, but yeah. So you would have made a pretty good move if you just followed this right here, at least. Now, create a new low. Same thing as SPY, as you're seeing if you watch the SPY video. Pretty buyers stepped in, pushing the price up, but that doesn't mean the price is going to hold. It's an attempt. But I have this area right here, which is this about 486 to 481 area that I've had, that I said it's very much possible. I don't know if I have it here. Yeah, that's it. This I had posted as well, I think last night. I said it's possible that you can see QQQ push down within this range here, which is 486 to 481, even 488. And this is what I think is going to be happening next with QQQ. You might even see the price move back up a little bit, get rejected off of this trend right here around tomorrow, around at least 500 range, which is right above, which is right over here. If you pay attention, we just put that here, right somewhere here. You might see the price hit up here around that 501 area, and you just sell off. So what would that be like? Use your fib, come down, and you're looking around this box right at this area for a sell off within that 580 582-ish range, 586, 582 range. That's the area you're looking at for a sell-off tomorrow when it begins to happen. So that's what I got for QQQ. Nothing really technical. Let's look at what Will's got going on. So as you can see, market flow sold off completely. Price just dipped. As you can see here again, we're in a downtrend. You could pretty much draw a trend line from here all the way to the bottom. That's a clear downtrend. Whales have no support at the moment, but whales have a target of 503. Pretty crazy because I literally just talked to you about that 500 area up to 503 area, which you could see somewhere here. So you could see that area get retested in the morning and then a sell-off if possible. It's very probable. Bullish scenario, you want to hold this 501 area. If you go up, you want to hold this, start creating a higher low, and you work your way up within inside this box. But obviously, you're gonna get rejected here if you come up here. But I don't know if it's gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think we got one more dip to go, and then maybe the bottoms in. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. But take it one day at a time if you're trading this. So yeah. This is where I think is heading. I think we're gonna see a rejection here and more downside bullish scenario. If we come up here, we go up to 503, we kind of come back down, we find bottom within at least not lower than this area over here, not lower than 497, and we push back up. That's a bullish scenario. So you got to use the levels that you're trading with, because they have target up here at 515 and resistance of 520. No support at the moment, so I think we're expecting the price to probably go up here. Will's target hit that target and maybe reject off that target and drop to the bottom as I have it here. So yeah, that's what I got for QQQ. Take care, guys.